What's up, traders? How are you today? Let's see the situation now with the dollar because it is getting a little bit out of hand, and I see many people are interested in what is happening right now. Okay, I'm gonna stay mostly on the tech side of things after we broke below 100 to 190, this area here. We saw the accelerated move downwards. The momentum is shifting to the downside very heavily, and now we are trying to find some levels to go to reverse, but the wise strategy, as we always say, is follow the trend and waiting for something confirmation or a reverse signal. For now, I know this is going, is falling off the cliff, and you don't wanna catch the falling knife. But if we go in longer time frames, we will see that here and below we are trading in very important levels. You see those highs. We are going back to 2019. And those are COVID area levels, for those that remember. And also I see very strong support from this area and below 99.50. This is just 30-40 pips, 50 pips lower. Okay, you can take it. And also we see the confluence of support from this channel here, from the moving average, and this is weekly, 200 days weekly moving average. Don't know, should not be ignored so easily. Of course, situation for the dollar, you know that I keep saying dollar is not out of the woods yet, and you didn't understand. You said why, but you are bullish. Yes, I am bullish long term because I see the situation in macro level, what is going to happen in euro area and UK even worse. Okay, don't see the tree, see the forest. Okay, because okay, now market is focusing on the weakness of CPI in the US, but don't forget that CPI is gonna be even weaker in euro area. Lagarde said, "Oh, inflation came out of nowhere, and now it is disappearing out of nowhere." And Europe, and especially the UK, even worse, are gonna left with 5% interest rates that will destroy, will kill the economy, because you see what is happening in the US. Every month we have 200, 300 payrolls, new position, new increase in employment. Okay, 300 and 200 people every month. It's not a negligible number. It's a huge number. Okay, and now I know. Last Friday they were expecting payrolls 215 and it came 208. Oh, big miss. What the fuck are you talking about? Okay, it's above 200,000 for 1 year now. What miss are you talking about? For 5,000, this is just noise. Anyway, I'm not gonna bother with more news and fundamentals. Okay, I will stick to my charts and price action. Okay, I know tomorrow is Friday, and we are watching a weekly candle. And if you remember, before today's, I said wait for Friday, because it's big mistake to look at a weekly candle when we are in the middle of the week. It's like looking an hour candle in the first 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, you must wait for the candle to close. Anyway, tomorrow is Friday. We see if this happens, if anything happens, or we see continuation. But for now, even for a reaction higher, because this downtrend doesn't change. I told you dollar is not out of the woods because it's making new lows, lower lows and lower highs. So unless we see a move, okay, I had 106, now I can put it at 104.80, 105. Unless we see dollar trading above 105, 105, the trend is lower. This I don't know if it will go to 90 quickly as many are calling. I don't see this the case for this happening, but we might see a reversal higher and then some volatility. Let's go to the 4 hours chart to see this. Okay, this is big drop, okay, for just a few days. For 1 week is big, one of the biggest drop for the dollar. We are talking about almost 400 pips. So we can see 150, 200 pips easily when the correction starts, and this won't change the situation for a lower dollar, okay. So what do? Do we buy the dollar? No, let's wait for at least one green candle. At least one green candle. We see what happened here, the destroy, and this can be even more seen in the euro. Of course, that is 60% almost of DXY. And okay, euro, we saw the first sign when it broke out from this consolidation last Friday, and now it's going up alone, as we say, with momentum. We don't need any news, nothing. But of course, all parabolic moves, we know how they end, right? And don't forget, we're talking about the Eurozone. That okay, I see the technical perspective to see the biggest area is 115. Also the fair value, many macro analysts are calling, but I don't care about fundamentals. Okay, I see this huge breakout weekly candle, and euro, if finally closes the week above 111.50, it's gonna be huge. I know it's 70 pips, but tomorrow it's another day. We see if this changes. But for now, you don't touch the euro dollar for fresh shorts. Okay. Of course, you can take profit from longs, but it's very difficult. I know you are tempted to short it, to say why this must go down, but better safe than sorry, okay? Same situation in pound. You see, pound cable and euro, you see the moving average structure. It's very rare to see, because this is weekly, okay? It's very rare to see this break of 200 days in weekly, 200 periods in 200 weeks moving average, okay? So at least we must see a reversal back to 110 something to test this breakout. I don't know, this last time that happened was in COVID, after COVID area, that we saw the big break higher, and this continued. I don't know, maybe we see this again, but I doubt. Most of the times we have a retest of 200 days. Anyway, we will see about it. Cable the same. We are approaching very strong resistances, 131, 50, 60 and 132 something. This area here is, we see the previous lows that are acting now as resistances. The only pair that is a little bit more, okay, this looks like the DXY. It's more, how to say, not so bearish for the euro, for the dollar, is the loonie USD CAD, and this is crazy because okay, it's same type of economy. It's north of the US. It's very strange to see the The inflation in Canada sticky, remains sticky and even going higher, while in the neighbors in the US, they are interconnected economies to have deflationary pressures. Okay, so it's just following the dollar weakness. Okay, of course I know the scenario about the BRICS. Okay, you can believe in fairy tales if you believe that the BRICS in August are gonna replace the dollar with a new currency that is pegged with gold, especially when gold is not moving higher, and also the US are holding all the 80% of the total gold supplies, okay, and inventories. Anyway, we can see also, I see the move in stocks, okay. Okay, we can see a reversal here too, because 450 level is 4,500 level is very, very important, big round number, and blah blah blah. Also previous high here. To be honest, I started to take profits in some of my equity portfolios, the longer term ones, and okay, we see. Because I think we are due for a correction also here in stocks. I know I keep saying the stocks cannot go down, but okay, why not take advantage of 3, 4, 5, 10% move lower? Still, it doesn't change anything. As long as S&P trades above 4200, this is 305% move. Okay, why not take it advantage? Anyway, guys, I know we are disappointed by the dollar. I am one of the biggest dollar bulls, but this doesn't change a thing for me. I'm waiting for a reversal pattern to go very, very long, very, very big position in longs in the dollar, and mostly would be shorts again, euro, CAD and cable, and we see, because okay, I have seen many times this kind of moves going the opposite direction for no reason. Okay, oh, I'm not gonna keep you more. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching.